Hi, did you know that colour has enormous psychological impacts, not only on yourself, but on other people when you're meeting them, whether it's in person or whether it's through the computer screen, which so many people are doing at the moment through Zoom and Skype and all the other online platforms. So I thought I would share with you some of my expertise this morning on the impact colour can make, not only on you, but on other people when you're wearing them in this way, which is in a scarf, because sometimes we don't always have all of these colours in our wardrobe. Now, when I do a colour consultation, obviously I go through all of these steps and work out whether you're warm or cool and where you sit in terms of your colours. But just to give you some examples, today I'm wearing a beautiful silk scarf, which the main colours in that scarf are these three colours. And so when I consider the psychological impact of these colours on other people, it's quite interesting. We're looking at distinguished, peaceful, youthful, right? That's the impression I'm making on other people. Then I have a beautiful, brightly coloured one here, which has these dominant colours in there. And if this scarf suited you, you'd be putting across the impression of being very happy, very youthful, very lively, but very confident too, and very attractive. You might be a green person, and so if you're a green person and can wear these colours, you'll be coming across as very substantial, very energetic, but maybe a little bit unconventional. And then we have this one here at the end, which is quite a strongly coloured scarf, and the main three colours in this scarf are these colours here, and the impression you'd be making on other people would be creative, interesting, strong, powerful, sure, authoritative, and very worthy. So before you get dressed in the morning to go onto your next Zoom call, pay some thought to what colours you're actually going to be wearing and what is the impact that's going to have not only on yourself and how you feel about yourself today, but also how that's going to have an impact on the person on the other side of the screen, because colour is amazing. It can literally open up a whole new world of opportunities for you and can really influence the message that you're putting across to people.